if your record image look like this and you want it to look like this one, so you are right place, and we're gonna learn how to do it right now. Hello guys, in this video we're gonna show the best setting for screen record using OBS. Actually, it's one of the best screen recording ever because you have multi options to do with that. And let's start. So go on setting. On general, actually no need to do nothing here. Everything's alright except this one. If you want to put on dark mode, keep everything how is it. On stream, this video is about recording, so maybe we're gonna do another video about streaming and the best setting. So the important thing is gonna be on output. Go to record. Make sure your output mode is gonna be advanced. So second type is gonna be standard. Choose that and check this one. File name without space. Recording format, that's very important. You need to make it on MP4 or FLV, the best two settings for format actually. Audio track, keep it number 1. And encoder, if you have 20 series GPU, use this option, NVIDIA NVENC H264 new. If you have 10 series, use 264. It's another options is down here. I can check that now because I'm recording on OBS. Rescale output, just keep it like that. And rate control, make sure it's gonna be on SBR. And bitrate, it depends what you wanna record on, what resolution. So I'm gonna show you. If you're recording on 4K and using 60 frames, that's what I'm recording in, you have to make sure it's gonna be on 53, between 53 and 68. And 2K 24, 1080 12, 720 on 7.5. That's on 60 frames. On 30 frames, it's gonna be like this. So it's similar. It depends what resolution you're using for recording. I'm recording on 4K, that's why I'm using 53 bitrate. And keyframes, interval, sequence, make it on 2. Preset max quality, profile high, and check look ahead. And check this one, I think is gonna be check normal, so just keep it like this. GPU 0, max B-frames 2. And next thing, on audio, just make sure it's gonna be simple rate 48 and channel stereo. Then here is so important, so for video, if you wanna choose recording on 1440 and 2560, make sure the bass is gonna match the output. If it's not, your video is not gonna be good at all. So you can read the settings, you can read nothing. And for filters, make it on 36, and frames is up to you what you want to use. I'm using 60 frames, so to get best quality on my video, to show you guys what is the best setting for best quality. And hotkeys, nothing to do here. Advanced, nothing to do actually. And that's it. So if you enjoy the video and learn something new, please hit like button and subscribe the channel. And thank you for watching. See you on next video.